Dear Playship player, an important announcement for you regarding the change in TDS policy on the platform. In line with the provisions contained in Finance Act 2023, following TDS policy is applicable for all players on Playship from 1st April 2023. TDS is applicable at the time of withdrawal. 30% TDS is applicable on net winnings at the time of withdrawal. So now let's understand what is called net winnings. Here net winnings is equal to total withdrawals minus total deposits in a financial year. Here total deposits mean deposit in the financial year plus opening balance of financial year. So let's see how TDS calculation is done using TDS rule under different scenarios. Scenario 1. I have balance of 10,000 rupees in my account on March 25, 2023 and I withdraw it on April 5, 2023. On April 1, 2023, 10,000 rupees will be considered as your year opening balance, which will be considered as deposit in TDS calculation. If you withdraw this 10,000 rupees on April 5, 2023, no TDS will be applicable as your net winnings is 0. Withdrawal is 10,000, deposit is 10,000. Scenario 2. My net winnings is less than equal to 0, then no TDS is applicable. Example, let us say you have a year opening balance of Rs 3,000 as on April 1, 2023 and you have deposited Rs 7,000 on April 2, 2023. Now you are withdrawing Rs 5,000 on April 3, 2023. In above case, your net winnings is equal to Rs 5,000 minus Rs 10,000. That is 3,000 plus 7,000 is equal to minus Rs 5,000. So, no TDS applicable on this withdrawal. Scene 3. If your net winnings, including the withdrawal amount, is more than 0, then 30% TDS will be deducted on the net winnings at the time of withdrawal. Let's understand this with an easy example. Assume that in a financial year, you have deposited total of Rs 7,000 and also you had an opening balance of Rs 3,000 at start of this financial year. So now your total deposit stands at Rs 10,000. That is Rs 3,000 plus Rs 7,000. And in the same financial year, you have done a withdrawal of Rs 5,000. And today on 30th April 2023, you want to withdraw another Rs 7,000. So with this withdrawal, your total withdrawal stands at Rs 12,000. That is Rs 5,000 plus Rs 7,000. So now your total net winnings in this case becomes total withdrawal, that is Rs 12,000 minus total deposit, that is Rs 10,000 equal to Rs 2,000. Now on your withdrawal request of Rs 7,000, TDS will be deducted on a net winning amount of Rs 2,000 at a rate of 30%. On balance of Rs 5,000, no TDS will be deducted. On Rs 2,000, at rate of 30%, the TDS will be 600 rupees. Amount credited is equal to 6,400. That is 7,000 minus 600. This means a TDS of 30% will be applicable on net winnings. Scene 4. If you have paid TDS in previous withdrawals, then no TDS is applicable on withdrawals till your net winnings exceed the amount for which you have already paid TDS. Let's understand this through an example for better clarity. Assume as of 30th April 2023, following was the TDS deduction. Total withdrawals in the financial year is equal to Rs 20,000. Total deposits in the financial year is equal to Rs 14,000. So your net winnings are Rs 6,000. And on this Rs 6,000, you have paid TDS at the rate 30%, which is equal to Rs 1,800. Now as of 15th May 2023, your deposits increases to Rs 20,000, that is 14,000 as of April 30th plus 6,000 additional deposit between April 30th to May 15th. Then following will be the status of your account. Total withdrawals Rs 20,000. Total deposits is equal to rupees 20,000, that is 14,000 as of April 30th plus 6,000 additional deposit between April 30th to May 15. Net winnings previously taxed is equal to rupees 6,000, that is rupees 1,800 TDS deducted on net winnings of rupees 6,000 at the rate 30%. Now here comes two scenarios. No TDS applicable till your net winnings crosses rupees 6,000, that is winnings already taxed. If you withdraw up to rupees 6,000, no TDS is applicable as TDS is already paid. If you withdraw rupees 10,000, then TDS is applicable on rupees 4,000 winnings at the rate 30% because you have already paid tax on rupees 6,000. This means that on withdrawal request of rupees 10,000, the amount that will come to your account will be 10,000 minus 1,200, that is TDS on rupees 4,000 at the rate 30%, which is equal to rupees 8,800. Scene 5. There is one more scenario that can happen. Assume you have paid TDS on initial winnings during the financial year, but your net winnings have reduced post that. Assume on 30th April 2023, your TDS calculation was like this. Total deposits in the financial year is equal to rupees 14,000. Total withdrawals in the financial year is equal to rupees 20,000. Net winnings in the financial year is equal to rupees 6,000. On this net winnings of rupees 6,000, you have paid TDS till date at the rate 30%, which is equal to rupees 1,800. Post this on 15th May, your deposit reaches rupees 20,000, that is rupees 14,000 balance on 30th April plus rupees 6,000 additional amount deposited during 30th April to 15th May, and your total withdrawals in the financial year is equal to rupees 20,000. Net winnings in the financial year is equal to rupees 20,000 minus rupees 20,000, which is equal to 0. In such case, subject to applicable law, the excess TDS deducted can be claimed as refund in your annual income tax filing. Often people ask, what will happen to our balance lying in account at end of financial year? Let's see. Scene 6. At the end of the financial year, if you have an amount in your wallet, that is, excluding the amount on the table, then TDS will be calculated on that amount by considering it was a withdrawal of the financial year, and remaining amount will be carried forward to next year as opening balance. Withdrawal from the opening balance will not be subject to TDS in the next year. For example, assume in a financial year, your total deposits in the financial year is equal to rupees 40,000. Total withdrawals in the financial year is equal to rupees 40,000. TDS paid till date, that is on winning amount of rupees 5,000, as initially you had positive net winnings of rupees 5,000, is equal to rupees 1,500. Account balance at the end of March 31st, 2024 is equal to rupees 30,000. So now calculation will be done like this. Total withdrawals in the financial year is equal to rupees 70,000, that is rupees 40,000 withdrawals plus 30,000 account balance. Total deposit in the financial year is equal to rupees 40,000. Net winnings is equal to rupees 30,000. Winnings previously taxed is equal to rupees 5,000. Taxable net winnings, that is rupees 30,000 minus rupees 5,000, is equal to rupees 25,000. TDS at the rate 30% on rupees 25,000 is equal to rupees 7,500. Thus, rupees 7,500 TDS is deducted from your account balance at the end of March 31st, 2024, and remaining balance of rupees 22,500, that is rupees 30,000 minus rupees 7,500, will be carried forward to the next financial year as deposit amount. You will not have to pay TDS in the next financial year on withdrawal out of this amount of rupees 22,500. Special notes. In case you have an amount on the table at the end of the financial year then it will not be considered in next year's opening balance.